In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay images in Canva. If you've ever tried to build a collage, create a layered banner, or place one image on top of another in Canva, you've probably noticed that things can get messy fast. Images can jump into the background by accident, cover important text, or feel impossible to line up neatly. The good news is that Canva already gives you the tools you need to stack images cleanly and create a polished result without using complicated design software. To get started, open Canva and head to the project where you want to create the image overlay effect. From your home page, find the design you want to edit and open it so the canvas is visible in your main workspace. This gives you a clear view of the page where your images will be placed and adjusted. Next, bring in the images you want to use. On the left side of the screen, click Uploads if you're using your own files, or Photos if you want to use Canva's built-in image library. First, click your base image so it appears on the canvas. Then click the second image you want to place on top. Canva will place each one as its own separate element, which is exactly what you want for layering. Now, here's an important tip that helps avoid one of the most common Canva frustrations. If you drag an image too close to the edges of the page, Canva may try to turn it into a full page background. To prevent that, add your overlay image with a single click from the sidebar and resize it using the white corner handles. That keeps it as a movable layer instead of locking it into the background. Once both images are on the page, it's time to control which one sits on top. Click the image you want to appear above the other, then go to the top toolbar and select Position. Open the Layers view and you'll be able to drag elements up or down in the stack. Move your overlay image above the base image so it displays correctly. If you want a softer, more blended look, click the top image and then select the transparency control in the toolbar. Lower the opacity to around 60 or 70%. This allows the image underneath to show through and creates a more natural layered effect. Before exporting, take a moment to align everything carefully. Move your images around the canvas and use Canva's alignment guides to help center and balance the layout. When you're happy with the final result, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for sharp image quality and download your finished design. That's it. You now know how to overlay images in Canva in a clean and professional way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in